everybody, it's Martha Kennedy. Today I want to talk to you about medication reordering and ordering in our process. So let's get right to the point. When a resident first comes or you learn they're coming in as an admission, you want to get the list of medications from the hospital or from home and order those ahead of time. Yes, I said order those ahead of time. Our pharmacy has said if any medication is not continued or is changed, that they will take those medicines back and reimburse us. So let's get ahead of it. Let's have the medications ready here. So anytime you have somebody coming in, the process you do for ordering it, a new admission, is you put them into PCC. So you key those in, they'll call you, expect a phone call or expect to call them, because if there's anything that looks a little funny, they may ask you to call the doctor and get that straightened out. So that is our new admission. Let's talk about reordering meds. Usually we use what is called a blister pack. When you get to this area, it's a visual reminder for you to reorder the medicine. So let's say I'm giving this medicine. Ooh, I see we're down to the blue. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna go over here and I am going to be at my EMR, right, because I'm looking at it. I click the medication, and right here, if you can come a little closer, there's a reorder button. I click the reorder button, it comes up and I put reorder order, okay? How do I know that's in? I can go back later when I see the med may not be here. I can click on the medication. I can go to order audit report. Then if you go down to the bottom, you will see what has been going on with this medication ever since it was ordered. You see where we had to exhaust some, and the last time it was reordered was 10/3, and the status is it's on order. Okay, so we ordered it, right? And it's not here yet. So what we do is we escalate. We call the DON, hey, we had this, it didn't come in, you take over now, and they're going to. If you can't get a hold of the DON, call the administrator, call anybody. So we need to do that. So that is the process for reordering. I want you to remember though, if you get down here and you don't have one, you have, in any new admissions, you're handy dandy. We're gonna put these in all of your MARs. You have all of these medications available. And we have an IV kit, and we have an insulin kit, and we have a kit for any narcotics. So on here, it tells you what the generic name is, and it tells you the alternative name, so you should be able to find those. If you can't, you call the DON. If it's an over-the-counter medication, you call the DON, you call the administrator. Somebody get over here and give me some aspirin. We will, no problem. So let's talk about when we're writing orders. Let's say I get an order and I know my delivery has left Dallas like at 4 o'clock. So I get an order at 4:30 for a med and I decide to start it at 6. Think to yourself, is this feasible? Ask the doctor, does it need to be given? Is it available right now? Do I have it on hand? Because we know it would be impossible to get that med in that amount of time. So that's what we're gonna do. Think, consult with your DON if you're not sure. They'll figure that out with you. So before, if you're going through this and you're going on your EMR and you're documenting, before you hit that button that says med not available, call somebody, your DON, me, anybody. Look, do we have it available in the e-kit? And please, please ask the EMD, hey, can we hold this if we need to? Because it may be something that we can, that's okay. So before you put med not available, I expect you to look here. I expect you to call the DON, and those are my expectations. I can't lay it out any more simpler. I appreciate you all, and thank you for your time.